Pakinggan ang tinig na nagbibigay sa iyo ng kapayapaan. Para sa mabungang buhay, tayo na po at magkapet pandasal. There are so many voices today telling us how to live, what to wear, and who to be. It can be very noisy and stressful to keep up with everyone else on social media. Jesus says he is the good shepherd who knows his sheep by name. This means we need to learn how to recognize his voice of peace among all the loud thieves that try to steal our happiness and make us feel that we are not good enough. Faith is about setting boundaries to protect our peace so that we can live a life that is full and joyful, not just busy. Manalangin po tayo. Tulungan mo kaming talasan ang aming mga tenga upang marinig namin ang iyong tinig sa gitna ng ingay sa mundo. Amen.